Hey, thanks for watching SERVi Homestead again. This is part 2 of putting on the gutter on the chicken coop and building the little side piece for the rooster to live in. It was really long, so I sped it up and cut a lot of little pieces out. But thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to SERVi Homestead.
Those stupid dogs chew up duct tape for no reason. They have food in their bowl.
I think these are actually small trash maple trees that grow up around here. I think I clipped them out of the line of hedges that we have. Must be why they're so hard. Alright, somehow it's starting to rain again. So I'll show you where we are. So the gutter's there. Looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna need to stabilize it on this side. Hey, we get our first trickles. Oh, it's not quite where I want it to be. But I'll put this or one like it, or maybe the large barrel over there, and a spigot on it. And the temporary house for the aggressive rooster is going to be here. Made a quick perch for him with some scrap boards so he can be off the ground. Put the tin here so he doesn't have the breeze on him from underneath the coop, because the coop is open at the bottom all the way around, and this is north, so he would have the coldest air coming on him, so that'll give him some protection. And I just need to finish wrapping the wire up and put some type of a top on it and a door so that the boys and I can give him food and water. And hopefully our hens will calm down and start laying more eggs. Alright, thanks for watching SERVi Homestead. Hope you enjoy all the things we do out here. We sure love it. It's awesome living out here in the country and getting to do all kinds of cool projects. So my automatic brain setting is to do with what I have, and that sometimes makes for ugly projects, and I'm trying to learn bit by bit to actually plan for what I need or how I want it to look, and then find the supplies or go and buy what I need, so that it comes out properly and looking nice. This gutter project and temporary rooster housing it's done with stuff I've already got, so I'm trying my best to not make things look all junky and cluttery, but I do enjoy using what I've got. It's pretty awesome to make a pen or a cage or some other project knowing you didn't have to spend any money with things that people have given me, like cage wire or boards left over from a remodel or something like that. So, but I need to find that balance, because even though we're in a rural area, we still do have family and friends come over now and then. So I'm learning, trying to do a good job and save money. So all right, hope you guys had a good Christmas, and I pray that you have a great new year. Thanks for watching.